Hey, what's up guys, Fix Alex, and today I'm gonna show you how to remove door panel and mirror on this Toyota Sienna. So that's the tool that you're gonna use: Phillips head, flat head, and 10mm socket. So using your small flat head or something similar like that, pull this cover from your panel. Then you gotta pull this cover. There is another bolt, and then you need to pull your window switch car. Same thing for the driver's side door. I start from the back, just lift it up, disconnect your two connectors, and that's it. Then using Phillips head, you gotta remove three screws: 1, 2, and 3. After that, using something like big flat head, stick it in between the door and the panel and start to pull it out. There is some clips behind the panel. Okay, so just gently pull it out, and that's it. That's how you remove door panel. Now time for your mirror. Using 10mm socket, you gotta remove this bolt from here. So remove this bolt from here, remove this cover, and you're gonna see 3 10mm nuts right here. I already removed them to make this video shorter. So remove those 3 nuts, and then just gently pull your mirror out. Same thing for the installation. Stick your new mirror in, connect your connector, and that's it. You guys all set. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like it, and comment where else should I record next about this car. Thank you and bye.